this video, we're going to briefly discuss the basics of network adjustment inside of TBC. Now, the first thing that you'll do is you'll open a TBC project and you'll drag and drop your job file into that project. And as you can see in this example, the object you're seeing on the screen is represented by the job file. Now, the next successive thing that you would do is you would look at all the data that you've brought in for any flags. Now, TBC generally shows an icon of a flag if there is some kind of an error with the data that you've brought in. Now, in this example, there are no flags. And so the natural next step we would go to is we would go to the survey ribbon, and then we would head to the network adjustment button. And we're going to tap on this icon. This is going to open up for us a dialog box with the title Adjust Network. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you're going to see the word Adjust. I'm going to have you tap on that. Now, once you tap on that icon, it's going to go through a series of iterations until it provides a solution to us. And that solution can either be a pass or a fail. In my example, I'm seeing an indication of the word pass. And that's usually a representation of passing what's called a chi-square test. Now, again, we're keeping things simple. So we have passed. So therefore, what it simply means is that the errors that have remained inside of the data that we have, we were able to actually remove as much of it as possible so that we are a lot more certain than we were before about the final position of where that point is. Now, how do you prove that? If you tap on any one of these points while the Adjust Network dialog box is open on the Results tab, you will see the remaining uncertainty on the point that you've actually adjusted. And if you want to see the coordinate of the point, by right-clicking on the point after you click it, you can go to Properties, and the Properties dialog box will show you the grid coordinates and an icon that shows you that you have adjusted that coordinate. This is the basic steps used to do a network adjustment inside of TBC.